Heather from the Elkton Central branch of Cecil County Public Library. Today I'd like to make homemade kazoos using toilet paper tubes, parchment paper, and because I didn't have rubber bands, I used little hair ties. Anything that's elastic and goes around will work. You want a heart?
A heart.
Okay. You want to color it in? Here you go.
A heart cake.
And you can color with pink. Go ahead.
Yeah.
I'm going to draw a star next. So I have a heart and a star. And maybe I'll do a square next. Yeah, do a little square. And then a star. That's a star. There you go. Okay, once you're all decorated, a square next, please, Mommy. Okay. And a square. Once you're all decorated, you can take your little piece of parchment paper and place it over the top just like that. You take your elastic and put it around. You'll need it to be a little far from the top so it can vibrate to make that kazoo sound. Gonna put yours on?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it on the top. Put our rubber band on. Okay. Do you want to test it? Say do 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 do. Do you want to try mine? Do 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 do. And there we have our kazoos. Bye everyone.